In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize family tasks with Trello. Trello is a versatile project management tool that can be an absolute lifesaver for streamlining family activities and ensuring everyone is on the same page. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple to-do lists or struggling to keep track of who's supposed to do what, this is the video for you. Let's get started by walking through the process of setting up a Trello board customized just for your family's needs. First off, you'll need to navigate to Trello. Simply open your web browser and type in Trello's website to get started. Once you arrive there, you'll see options for how to log in, whether through a Google account, an email, or any other preferred method. Choose the one that's easiest for you and log in. Now that you're in, the next step is to create a board. Think of a board as your family's central hub of operations. Just hit the Create New Board button and give your board a name that reflects its purpose. Something simple like Family Tasks works wonders. Once your board is set up, it's time to create lists. These lists will serve as different stages or categories of tasks. Common categories include To Do, for tasks that need attending to, In Progress, for tasks currently underway, Completed, for those triumphantly checked off, Waiting, for items dependent on someone else, and Next Week, for tasks that can sit on the back burner for a little while. After setting up the lists, you can create cards for each task. Each card represents an individual task, so you might have cards labeled Wash Dishes or Mow the Lawn. Cards are where all the specific details pertaining to a task live and breathe. One key to successfully managing tasks is assigning each card to the responsible family member. You can also set due dates for tasks, which makes it much easier to prioritize and manage everyone's time effectively. Adding this level of detail helps everyone clearly understand what needs to get done, by whom, and by when. For the larger tasks, break them into smaller, digestible steps by using checklists within each card. This is especially helpful for tasks with multiple components, like cleaning a room, where having a checklist keeps clarity and focus and helps prevent overwhelm. Now that everything is neatly set up, invite your family members to join the board. This way, everyone can view tasks, assign themselves, and even track overall progress. It's a collaborative space, so use the comments feature on cards to communicate updates or discuss any task-related details. Finally, consider using labels to color code and categorize tasks by person, urgency level, or even by room. Take a moment to explore Trello's power-ups as well. Features like butler automation and card aging can enhance your workflow by offering reminders and visual cues. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed how your family keeps track of tasks using Trello. With this organized system in place, you'll find communication smoother and task management far more efficient. Thanks for joining today, and happy organizing.